Hi guys, I'm Oliver from Photog 101 and welcome to my channel. Through the use of synthetic division. Okay, so kung medyo naahabaan kayo dun sa process of dividing polynomials using the traditional way, parang nagdi-divide kayo ng whole number, okay? So, meron pang isang paraan to divide polynomials, and that is through the use of synthetic division. Okay, synthetic division. Ayan. So, paano ba mag-divide ng polynomials using synthetic division? So first, you have to identify or you have to analyze first the given. So the given here is your dividend is 3x cubed plus 16x squared plus 19x minus 10. Okay, so you look at the given dividend if there is a missing term. So tingnan natin yung exponent. May nawawala ba sa exponent? So we have 3, 2, 1, 0. There is no missing term here. Okay? So, yung divisor. The divisor is a binomial. Okay? It is already arranged also from highest powers down to 0. So, 1, 0. Okay? So, wala na tayong gagalawin kasi nga, wala naman nawawala. So, unlike in dividing polynomials using the traditional way that we have to write the exponent, in dividing polynomials using synthetic division is you just simply get the coefficient of each term. Okay? Coefficient lang, the numerical coefficient. So the numerical coefficient of this dividend is, or are, 3 for x cubed, 16 for x squared, positive 19, and we have negative 10. So you have to be careful. Okay, so be careful with the coefficient or with the sign. Okay, because although you have already written the coefficient here properly or correctly, but you forget about the sign, so your answer or your computed quotient for sure is not correct. Okay? So this is the coefficient, or these are the coefficient of each term of the dividend. So now for the divisor. Your divisor is x plus 3. So you have to solve for the value of x. So the value of x here is, okay, x plus 3 is equal to 0. To solve for x, you have to use the addition property of equality, or you just simply transpose 3 to the other side. So we have x is equal to negative 3. So, okay, so you have to divide the coefficient of the dividend by negative 3, which is the value of x when you equate it to 0. Okay. So, ayan ha. Tingnan natin ha. So, we have 3, 16, 19, and negative 10. So, positive will become negative. Kung negative yon, magiging positive. Ganun lang ano. Okay. So, let's start. Step 1 is to bring down the first term. You bring down 3 here. Okay? Then, you multiply 3 to negative 3. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Okay? Then, since their signs are unlike, you subtract. 16 minus 9 is positive 7. Then again, multiply. 7 times 3 is negative 21. Unlike sign, so you have to subtract. 21 minus 19 is 2, and the sign is negative. It is because the absolute value of 21 is greater than 19. Then multiply. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Then you subtract. So we have here negative 4, which is your remainder. If the resulting difference of the last part here is 0, it means that there is no remainder, or the divisor is a factor of your dividend. Okay? But since there is a remainder which is negative 4, it means that the divisor or our divisor x plus 3 is not a factor of our dividend. Okay? So now, this is the resulting coefficient. So, the next step is to subtract 1 to the exponent 3. Why 1? It is because the exponent or the highest exponent of the variable x in the divisor is 1. So, you subtract 3 minus 1 is 2. So, lalagyan lang natin siya ng x squared. So, we have here 3x squared. Binawasan natin ang isa yun. Positive 7x. Why is x? Kasi nga, di ba, decreasing power. So, 2, 1. Then we have 2x. So, raised to 0. You look at this one. 2, 1, 0. Diba? Diba? Pag the exponent is 1, no need to write the exponent. Automatically, if you see a variable that there is no exponent written, it means that their exponent is 1. Now, the exponent of this is 0, and by the rule, a number or variable with 0 exponent is always equal to 1. So therefore, no need to write this 1. So this is the quotient. Now, we have the remainder, so you write here negative 4 over your divisor, which is x plus 3. And this is your final answer. Okay? So, synthetic division, compare it to the first method that we have discussed, which is the traditional way of dividing polynomial, is quite easier. Okay? This one is quite easier. The solution is simplified or shorter compared to the first one that we have discussed. Okay? So, mas madali ito kumpara dun sa una. At mas, kung mapapansin nyo, mas madali siyang intindihin at mas simplified. Okay? So, that is what synthetic division is all about. And this is how to divide polynomials using the process of synthetic division. Okay?